Welcome back. How are you? Think about how you are for a minute and try to get centered. Sentence stems on top per student request. The title of the article is written by, the main message is, I disagree or agree because. Ignite, do you remember a time that you were confused about a topic in school, then another student said something and suddenly the topic made sense? It could happen to you again this week. Plus, you have a chance to help someone else. Pick one article to report on. You can use any of the texts we've covered in Schoology assignments or in your independent reading in Newsella or any other good source. And watch me as I make a Flipgrid report on something I've read. The full article is linked here, and there is the short video. Have a great day. Thank you.